Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of unicorn gifts perfect for girls aged 4 to 10, featuring a delightful unicorn toy set that promises hours of fun and imagination. This all-in-one surprise box includes a plush light-up star pillow, a fluffy diary with a lock, a pom-pom pen, a headband, an eye mask, and a purse, all designed to satisfy the dreams of any unicorn lover. Crafted from premium tie-dye plush fabric and filled with soft PP cotton, these safe and skin-friendly toys have passed children's product safety tests, making them perfect for snuggling, cuddling, and playtime adventures. The plush diary with a lock is a charming addition, allowing kids to record their daily joys and secrets, keeping their sweet memories safe and secure. Each unicorn accessory captures the magic and wonder of unicorns, with beautifully designed tie-dye elements that add a touch of fantasy to playtime, letting kids wear beaded jewelry, headbands, and charming bags to entertain themselves or share with friends. This set makes for a decent birthday present, ideal for princess party favors, birthday parties, unicorn pretend play, Halloween, Christmas, pajama parties, and sleepovers, ensuring your daughter or niece will be absolutely obsessed with it. So, if you're looking to capture the magic and wonder of unicorns for the special young girl in your life, this unicorn gift set is sure to bring joy and enchantment to her world. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.